Good morning. How are you doing today? Welcome to my garden. Wanted to show you a few things that are in bloom. I'm enjoying my cup of coffee. Cheers. And decided to walk the garden as I do every morning. But today I wanted to share a few of my blooms. This old gal is holding up really nicely. She's still in the beautiful mount or vase that I got from Roxy. This old gal she's been blooming for a little bit, but I wanted to show you my newest bloom, which is one of my favorite orchids. Ta-da! This is the amazing Thailand. I love, love, love this one. She's given me two blooms. She has grown quite a bit. Actually, funny story, I had gotten this in my very first show, my first orchid show down in Miami, and I went to each booth and I asked because they had this in display and I just had to have it. She reminds me of those peppermint candies, but they are orange. And I don't know, just reminded me of that. And I just had to have it. So we looked everywhere. And then I went to, I think it was Home Depot. I found a bag baby, a Better Grow bag baby. And I bought her because she is also an amazing Thailand. Now, she's growing there on my tree. She's happy. She's doing fine. She's not growing as big as this one because, of course, she's more established. But this amazing Thailand is also giving me another sheath there. So I'm very excited about that. I have a few mounts. Well, actually, I have a lot of mounts up there. That is also one of my favorite orchids for sentimental reasons. Maybe I'll share that with you at some other time. That one is also a Cattleya. That is also very special. So I have pretty much all the ones that are special to me in this tree. And right up there, we have some Brassavola nodosas, and they are the very fragrant at night. And this Vanda is a sequential bloomer. She is 3 in 1. Can't see that one over there, it's in the back. But this particular one has 3 plants, and she is in spike here. Okay, guys, well, you see that orchid really high up there? Let me get up on my ladder so I can really show her up close. She's on her way out on some of the blooms, but she has been blooming for me, I don't know, more than a month. And this is the one that I made a video on because I never took her out of the actual root ball because it was so wound up. It was so tight that I didn't want to damage the roots. So I do have that video if you want to see it. How I repotted her. To be honest, all I did was I took her basket and put her in a bigger basket. And look at this. This must have been, I don't know, maybe less than 2 months ago. My channel was not that old. Um, yeah, so I put a basket within a basket and look at the roots. That's just crazy how it's just growing there. But the more important thing is how many blooms she gives. She gives. Like I said, these are on the way out, but these are the newest ones. She's a super healthy plant. Look at that. And she's very fragrant. She has 3 on here. Look how many flowers she has on this. She has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And I think, oh my gosh, she smells so good, you guys. This is what she looks like. But anyway, I want to share that with you because there is hope for all of these roots yet. I don't really disturb her. I give her some love. I admire her from afar. Maybe that's the best thing that could have happened to her, but she is fantastically beautiful, if there's such a word. Here's another Cattleya that I have in a basket. She is going to give me some blooms. Hello, gorgeous. I have to check this out. Once I get off camera, I'll do a little bit more digging on that one. I did not do anything to this either. Look, I took it out of the basket and it still has a shape, but I did secure it. You can see these. This is a rhizome clip. I think that's what they're called. Anyway, so I put it, it goes right through the plant. Put another one here to secure it. Make sure it was real tight because they don't like to be loose. And if you can see, the roots are already attaching themselves to the basket. And she's very happy there. She is a healthy plant, another healthy plant. I have some that are a mess, but this one is healthy and I wanted to show you. I'm going to check out what that is. And yeah, so I'm hoping to see some blooms in the next few days. Very exciting. And that is why we cannot have nice things. We have all of these friends that come by and visit. Yes, she trampled all over my orchids to get up there. And yeah, well, they live among us. We love them. So more power to them. But yeah, she's watching me. She's just watching me there. Ah, good morning.